Hi everyone! Welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to add money to PayPal using your debit card. First, open the PayPal app on your phone and log into your account. At the top, tap on your PayPal balance. Under your balance, you'll see the option Add money from your bank or card. Tap on that. Now enter the amount you'd like to add, then hit Next. At the bottom, select Link an eligible debit card. You can either enter your card details manually, card number, expiration date, and security code, or use the Scan Card option, which will automatically fill in your card details. Keep in mind, PayPal only accepts Visa or MasterCard debit cards for this option. Once your card is linked, tap Link Card and then complete the transfer. The money will be added to your PayPal balance instantly with no fees. And that's it. You've successfully added money to PayPal using your debit card. If this